It's Tuesday, 2nd of April 2019. I'm going to be starting on the bagging facility here, the distribution aspect of it, and then the back part back here, and the upper part will be raised and everything. So total width on the building is probably about 10 and a half inches or so. So that's well over 150 feet width, scale width. The front of the building, or at least where the rail serve portion will be from the blue door down to the wall, is going to be that point there is about 17 and a half inches, and that's plenty of room to put 4 box cars in there. So that'll be nice. The outside, that will be basically, it'll have 2 doors for the forklifts to go in and out of, and then I'll have a dockway, a covered dockway rolling down the edge here, and it'll have a larger platform in this area where this doorway is at, with a ramp that'll go down onto the trailer lot. Alright, here I've got a few of the wall sections from the central distribution kit put together, as well as using a doorway from Pike Stuff TriStar Industries. I'm going to be using a lot of chipboard on this project. 16th inch works really well for a lot of stuff. It glues together really well with super glue, liquid type, and it also files really nice. The edges sand real nice with the emery cloth, or emery board rather, and sandpaper or whatever. Turns out really good. Alright, it's Wednesday, April 3rd. I've got some more mock-up done on my bagging facility. You can see come along pretty good. I put a 1/8 inch thick piece of chipboard underneath here. I'm going to add a 16th inch to it. That'll get this up to rail height, and the doors to everything will be proper height anyway, because this will also get 3/16 of an inch of chipboard out here, or I don't know, however I'm going to do the parking lots and stuff. But anyway, I'm building this on a platform. It's easier to get off and everything. And like I said, I have to have it split, so this section and this section are going to be together, and the roof and everything that's going to be on that, and then so that'll lift off. I just haven't got the base cut yet, but that's the plan for that. Alright, here I've got the chipboard glued and pressed together using 1/8 inch and 16th inch pieces. I've got the lines drawn out where the outer walls and the inner wall will be, as well as the purple line for the hatch cut. And here I've got some more walls placed. I've used some other pieces of chipboard for cleats to help support the roof and the other wall sections. And here's what it looks like after it's been cut. And here I've got everything glued down to the base. Right, it's Saturday, April 6th, 2019. Phase 1 of the bagging facility is complete. This is where they bag up the Portland cement into 90+ pound bags of heftiness. I've lifted a few of those in my life. But anyway, I got the walls up. The base is cut. The only thing I gotta do is still glue down the chipboard docking area I've got that scored. I've used an X-Acto knife and an emery board and a straight edge to make the cracks in the concrete. It should leave a nice impression once everything gets weathered. I'm going to have to do the painting and the weathering on the lower section first, and then apply this roof section, and then do the cladding on the upper walls, like this one here. This has got the cladding already on it, and where it separates, I'm going to use that sign board for that. Looks like it might turn out pretty nice. I've built up using 1/8" pieces of chipboard to make the docking area, and that's where it'll separate at. Also right here in this corner, let me move this real fast. You can see that this hatch here, this will be glued to the hatch, and then this will be glued to the base. So everything should mount up pretty good once it's all done and said. I'm going to have to hold off putting the roof sections on here because I'm going to have some lighting in the building. I don't have the lights yet, so that's going to be a future project, which, like, this project was phase 1, and this is completion of phase 1. I guess I should also say I'm going to put a base in these so I can have probably one of these doors, I'm not sure which one of these doors open so you can see like pallets of the Portland cement inside a fork truck or something like that. And I might have one of these doors back here open as well. On the dock I'll have pallets of Portland cement out there, so that'll look pretty nice out there too. This will have an overhang. I do have a couple pieces of roof cut out that I can put on real fast to kind of show you what I've got going. That piece there, and then we got this one that goes down the whole dock area. That'll slide together, and so it'll have a nice overhang. Also, part of this that I noticed when I was building those small sheds back here, the lighting. I started, when I was messing with the roofs, I was trying to work with the lighting also, to have just a slight overhang to where it casts just some slight shadow. So that's what I'm kind of going for on this here, on the roof and everything. You can kind of see a slight shadow. Down here you can see where the cardboard's got a little doonch in it. That'll be fine. But then I'm also going to use some rod for the piers that'll go down through here. They'll be placed every, I don't know, 20, 25, 30 feet, whatever it is, whatever I decide to have that at. And then the roof itself will have, I'll use this 1/4" balsa strip wood to make the parapet edge, the border to the roof. The roofs are going to be flat roof, gravel flat roofs, and by the time I'm done super detailing these, it's going to have stacks and I don't know, vents and little houses and all kinds of different things up on top of the roof. So that'll be a whole nother thing to itself. The phase 1 is just the backbone of the structure. All the detailing is what's going to make the structure in the end. So lots more to do, but again, thanks for watching.